Welcome to Puerto de Acajutla, El Salvador's main port and home to the diverse operations of Consorcio Portuario Salvadoreño, CPS, a deep-rooted group of highly regarded private companies with more than 45 years of port operations experience. We represent a solid tradition in work ethic, long-term commitment, and a confident vision for the future of El Salvador. Our member companies all have high-quality standards and a record of socially responsible operating practices. We take pride in a solid cargo handling expertise and our commitment to good management of human resources. Over the years, we've developed a rich network of relationships with the relevant economic, social, and political actors in El Salvador, such as CEPA and AMP, the National Port Authorities. Consorcio is ready for a future of global competitiveness and envisioning a more thriving future of maritime connectivity for the Central American region. El Salvador has one of the most stable and promising economies in Central America, with steady growth, low interest rates, low inflation, a strong free market system, and sound macroeconomic standings. According to different independent international indicators, El Salvador is ranked as one of Latin America's most business-friendly economies, the country with the most modern infrastructure and one of the economies with less restrictions in the Americas. It is becoming an important commercial hub in the heart of the continent, right in the middle of its Pacific seaboard. Our companies are strong players in several key industries such as sugar, wheat, corn flour, fertilizers, and poultry. We have joined together to invest in port-related ventures. During 2007, our member companies handled over 85% of all bulk merchandise at Puerto de Acajutla. We own facilities, infrastructure, port equipment, and have become respected members of the port community. The members of the Consorcio are Alcasa, Almapac, Arisa, and Grupo Fertica. Our companies hold an unmatched expertise in dry and liquid bulk cargo and provide storage space for dozens of commodities. Alcasa. Alcasa offers dry bulk storage. Its main shareholders are Molinos de El Salvador, Molsa, and Arisa. Alcasa has a 149,000 metric tons bonded warehouse capacity, where it stores products such as wheat, corn, and rice. Through a partnership with Operadora General, it provides stevedore services. Almapac. Almapac provides storage facilities for the sugar industry. Its main shareholder is Compañía Azucarera Salvadoreña, CASA, the largest sugar industrial processor in the country. Almapac has a bonded warehouse capacity of 170,900 metric tons and stores products such as raw sugar, corn, rice, grease, and molasses. Almapac owns Servi Pacific, a company that provides stevedore services and is partner in American Renewable Fuel Suppliers, an ethanol dehydration plant. Arisa. Arisa is in the business of production and regional distribution of wheat and corn flour and other edible products. Its main shareholder is Corporación Multiinversiones, a holding based in Guatemala with operations in several countries around the world. Related companies to Arisa are Molinos Modernos, with operations in Guatemala, Costa Rica, and the Dominican Republic, and Alianza, a company related to the regional poultry industry. Grupo Fertica. Grupo Fertica is in the business of production and regional distribution of fertilizers. It operates in Puerto de Acajutla and Puerto Caldera in Costa Rica. It has a warehouse capacity of 100,000 metric tons at Puerto de Acajutla. Consorcio's broad know-how and experience goes along the whole logistical supply chain. It ranges from port operations such as vessel chartering, loading and unloading, crane operations to storage, commercial expertise, purchasing, and region-wide distribution. For more than 45 years, we have contributed to Puerto de Cojutla's modernization as it advances to a more efficient logistical operation. We have built a web of integrated operations through a joint venture named Consorcio Marítimo Salvadoreño, CMS, a shipping agency that has produced a better, well-organized and cost-effective joint operational scheme. Headed into a future of growth, regional expansion and new opportunities of investment, the integration role CMS has played over the years is being shifted to Consorcio Portuario Salvadoreño, CPS, a more global, solid and ambitious enterprise. At Consorcio Portuario Salvadoreño, CPS, we are willing to invest and maintain win-win ventures that go along with the country's future development. We believe that El Salvador is a valuable strategic site for those companies seeking to consolidate a more efficient logistical route in the Americas. We trust that our privileged geographical position, our connectivity, our reliable workforce, and a strong entrepreneurial drive make El Salvador worth taking a closer look.